Important things to consider first: remodeling your kitchen can be a huge job, and it can be hard to decide just what you would like to do in order to improve the look of your kitchen. There are a number of different things you should look for when you are searching for kitchen remodeling ideas. First of all, of course, you want to look for kitchen remodeling ideas that will help you figure out the best layout for the space that you have available. Maybe it would be best to have a galley kitchen, or to have one of those center islands in your kitchen. You might also want to think about looking into counter-depth refrigerators, since these can save some space in the kitchen. You also want to figure out what sort of overall style you would like your kitchen to have. Maybe you want to go for a country look, or a Tuscan look. You could add a backsplash made out of tiles, or using tin or copper. You might want something more modern, with stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and an under-counter TV. There are plenty of resources with kitchen remodeling ideas to help you achieve a particular style in your home.